Now welcome to this presentation of Social Science Class 9, 21-22 term-wise curriculum issued by CBSE today. Two terms will be there, first and second term, and according to that the syllabus has been divided by the CBSE. So from the unit in the term 1, from unit first, India and the contemporary world, theme will be event processes, theme 1 only, that is French Revolution chapter 1. From that, French society during the late 18th century, the outbreak of the revolution, the France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Did women have a revolution? The abolition of slavery and the revolution in the everyday life. These topics, from these topics, question will be asked in the term 1. Then the unit 2, contemporary India 1 theme, that is from geography, theme will be India. First chapter, the size and the location, India and the world, and India's neighbors. From these questions will be asked from this topic. And from that, major geographic divisions will be asked, that is physical features, different physical features of India will be asked. Then unit 3, democratic politics, that is political science or civics. The theme will be chapter first, what is democracy, why democracy. From that, what is democracy, features of democracy, why democracy, broader meaning of democracy. The questions from these topics will be asked. Then the chapter second will be from political science, will be constitutional designs. In that, why do we need a constitution, making of the Indian constitution, guiding values of the Indian constitution. The questions from these topics will be asked from this chapter second. Unit 4, that is economics. The theme will be chapter first, the story of village Palampur. The topics covered in this will be the overview, organization of the production, farming in Palampur, non-farming activities of Palampur. The questions will be asked from all these topics. Then the chapter second, people as resource, overview, economic activities by men and women, quality of population and unemployment. Questions will be asked from these topics. So term 1 map from subject history will be the from chapter first, the French Revolution. Outline political map of France will be given, and you have to mark these following places or identify these following places: Bordeaux, Nantes, Paris and Marseille. Already we have discussed this map in another video made on the prescribed maps by CBSE. From chapter geography, chapter first will be Indian size and location. From that, India states with capital, Tropic of Cancer, standard meridians will be asked. You have to mark this or you have to locate this on the map. Then chapter 2, physical features of India, mountain ranges, the Karakoram, the Jaskar, the Shivalik, the Aravlis, the Vindhyas, the Satpuras, the western and eastern Ghats, mountain peaks, Ketu, Kanchenjunga and Anaimodi, plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malabar Plateau, and from coastal plains, Konkan, Malabar, Coromandel and northern Sarkar. These will be asked, and you have to locate this place or you have to identify this place with the help of the questions asked there. About the course content of class 9 social science term 2. Then the from history, that unit 1 India and the contemporary world 1. Theme will be, two themes will be there, 2 and 3. Chapter 2, that is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. The topics covered in this will be the age of social change, the Russian Revolution, the February Revolution in Petrograd, what changed after October, the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. So from these topics, question will be asked from the chapter 2. And chapter 3, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. From that, the birth of the Weimar Republic, Hitler's rise to power, Nazis' worldview, youth in Nazi Germany, ordinary people and the crimes. The topics from questions from all these topics will be asked. Then we go to the unit 2, that is geography, contemporary India 1. The theme will be chapter 3, drainage. From that, major rivers and tributaries, lakes, role of the rivers in the economy, pollution of rivers will be asked. Now in that, only map items has given the map list from this chapter to be evaluated in the examination, and question answer will be taken in the periodic test. Only questions will not be coming in the examination from this chapter. Only map items given in the map list will be coming from this chapter, and this chapter will be asked in the periodic test. Then the chapter 4, climate. From that concept, climatic control, factor influencing India's climate, Indian monsoon, distribution of rainfall, monsoon as a unifying bond. The questions from all these topics will be asked in the term 2. For 5th, natural vegetation and wildlife. From that, factor affecting vegetation, vegetation types and wildlife conservation will be asked. The questions from these topics will be asked in the examination. Then unit 3rd, democratic politics first. Theme will be electoral politics. Question topics will be by elections. What is our system of elections? What makes election in India democratic? From these topics, question will be asked from this chapter. Then the chapter 4, working of institutions. How is the major policy decision taken? Parliament, political executive and judiciary. The questions will be asked from this chapter from the following topic. Chapter 3, poverty as a challenge. In that, two typical cases of poverty, two cases are given there. Then poverty as seen by social scientists, poverty estimates, vulnerable groups, interstate disparities, global poverty scenario, causes of poverty, anti-poverty measures, the challenges ahead. From all these topics, question will be asked in economics in term 2 from this chapter. Then we come to the term 2. From history, chapter 2, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. The political map of the world will be given for you and locate and labeling and identification to be done. In that, major countries of the First World War, Central Powers and Allied Powers. Central Powers in that Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, and Allied Power France, England, Russia and USA. This map we have already discussed in the video made on the map of history prescribed by the CBSE for the examination of class 9. Then the chapter 3, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Again, on outline political map of the world will be given to you and you have to locate, label or identify the place. Then major countries of the Second World War, that is Axis power, Germany, Italy, Japan, Allied power, UK, France, former USSR and USA, territories under the German expansion, Nazi power, that is Austria, Poland, Czechoslovakia. In that only Slovakia will be shown in the map. Denmark, Lithuania, France and Belgium will be asked in the map. Maybe for locating and labeling, they given the place and you have to mark in the map, or identify a question will be given and on the basis of this question you have to mark that place, identify that place and mark that place. ABCD will be given and you have to mark in that place according to the question. So these were the maps which will be coming in the term 2 from history. Here outline political map of India will be given. Then the chapter will be drainage. You have to identify, only question will be given. On the basis of that you have to identify the A, B and C. The Himalayan river systems, the Indus, the Ganges and the Satluj. Peninsular river, the Narmada, Tapi, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi. Lakes, Wular, Pulicat, Sambar and Chilika. So these things will be asked for identification in the map of geography on the outline political map of India. Question will be given. On the basis of this you have to mark the river A, B, C or lakes, Wular, Pulicat and Sambar, Chilika. This we will discuss in the chapter geography map video will be made afterwards. Then the chapter 4, climate, again identification. The question will be given. On the basis of that you have to identify the place A, B, C. Areas receiving rainfall less than 20 cm and over 400 cm. Then from the chapter 5, natural vegetation, wildlife, they will be asking vegetation type, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous, thorn forest, montane or mangrove. This will be for identification only. Question will be given. On the basis of the question you have to identify the vegetation. Then the national park, Corbett, Kaziranga, Ranthambore, Shivpuri, Kana, Simlipal and Manas. Again location and labeling. The bird will be given and you have to mark that place where it is situated. In the bird sanctuary, Bharatpur and Rangan Tihito. In wildlife sanctuary, Siriska, Mudumalai, Rajaji, Tachigam will be asked in the map of geography from the chapter climate, and you have from the chapter vegetation and wildlife. It will be for location and labeling only. You have to ask this place where Kaziranga is situated. You have to mark that place where it is situated. So this geography maps we will discuss in the another video, which will help you to understand it better. Thanks for